Okay, now it's time to create the reviews. So every individual product have reviews, and basically we wanna make the nested dynamic routes. So this is dynamic routes, not nested dynamic routes. So inside ID we wanna create nested dynamic routes. Okay, so it will be an exciting journey. So every individual product have review. Okay, this is 5. Okay, so create the nested routes. So first of all, create the reviews over here. So create reviews is to reviews, and inside that create UL. Inside UL create li. Inside li create link. Link should come from React link, next link, next link. Okay, and we need base ref, and inside that we will create the route. This is the path. Okay, so we need products, then product dot id, and we need reviews. We'll create the folder in the time 1, and same way we need another the component for link 2. So you can give as much as you as you want. So this is the review 1, review 1, this is review 2. Okay, so we will get review 1, review 2. So as we have no page, so it's keeping error, no worries. Okay, so then create the nested routes. Be careful, this is the nested dynamic routes. Okay, so inside ID we need a folder that is reviews. Okay, and it inside reviews it will come dynamically for individual product. So I am creating review ID, and inside that we need page.tsx. Okay, so inside page.tsx what we need, first of all we need reviews, const reviews equal to we need say 1, and 1. This is the first review for product 1. And same way 2, this is the second review for product 1. So we can give it 6 as we have 7 product, as you can remember. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. We are intentionally leaving on. We are taking 6 products. So say number 7 products will give it will have no review. So if no review exists, what will show? I want to show you. So this is the first review for product 2. This is product 2. Here is 3, product 3, 3, product 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. Okay, intentionally we are leaving something, and const review detail as it is Typescript. We are exporting export default. Okay, so we need to use params, const params use params and const product id equal to params underscore id as a string typecasting, and const review id equal to params id as string. Okay, if there is no review, if no review, first of all we find the review. Okay, so const review equal to reviews product id. I'm showing you what it is saying, review id. Okay, it's maybe giving Typescript error, and yeah, it's giving Typescript, but we are solving it. So it actually saying that this line is actually saying that find the review of the given product and review id. If the review product exists, return the review for the specific review id. If not, return undefined without throwing an error due to the optional chaining. So basically this line is saying that, okay. So if reviews product ID exists, then return the review of the specific review ID. If not, return undefined without throwing an error. It will not throw an error. So this is checking. So if there is no review, it will return review not found. Return is on review ID or product 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 ID. Okay, show review. Okay, so now it's time to solve the TypeScript error. Okay, to solve the error, what we need to declare an interface, and before that params. Yeah, use params, and we need to declare interface reviews interface reviews product ID string review ID string to make TypeScript happy. So I hope no error. Let's see. Already still it is showing errors. Why it is? Basically, the error is saying we have declared the interface, but use it over here reviews to happy TypeScript. So no errors are there. So let's see what is happening. We go product 6. If we go review 1, fail to compile, use params. We need to use params, use client. As by default, everything is as we use params. We should use client. Okay, review 6, review not found. All products review 2. Yeah, it's getting. So it's getting review for. I'm checking everything. Review 1 for product 1. You see, this is the product 1. And let's see review 2 for product 2. Okay, so our nested route is working just fine. Let's go to product 3, review not found. Why review not found? We have the review 2, 3, 4, 5. We have review, but it's not showing. Let's check. Up to 3 we are getting, up to 2, right? Up to 2 we are getting, but whenever come to 3, 4 or 5, review not found. Let's check. So it's not working is because both are ID. So one is ID, another should be review ID. Review ID. So then it will work as expected. Let's see, review 1. This is the review 1 for product on. This is the first review for product on. Review 2. This is the review 1 for product on. This is the first review of product. Review 2. Let's see, review 3. The first review, it should be second review. Everything is coming for first. So there is a error over here. It should be review 2. Okay, both were review 1. So I think that was the problem. Let's check once again. Review 1. This is the first review for product on. Review 2. This is the second. Yeah, it's working. So go to product 2. Review 1. This is the first review for product 2. This is the second review for product 2. Okay, everything is working. Let's go product 3. This is the first review for product 3. You see, this is the product 3. This is product 3. Second review. This is the second review for product 3. Let's go product 4. First review. This is the product 4. Second review. This is the second review for product 4. Go to product 5. This is the first review for product 5. This is product 5. And this is the second review for product 5. Okay. 6. This is the first review for product 6. This is the second review for product 6. And intentionally I have not taken any review for product 7. You see, no review for product 7. So we have up to 6. So if there is no review, what it will return? If there is no review, it will return no review not found. So just to show you, review 1, no review found. So everything is working as expected, no review found. But up to 6, it has the review. So this is review 1. This is the first review for product 6. This is the second review for product 6. Okay, so it's working. So now it's the nested dynamic routes. So inside we review the nested dynamic routes. So I hope everything is working just fine and you have understood everything, and I have the explanation for the tricky part. This was the tricky part. So if review product exists, return the review for the specific review ID. If not, return undefined. Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.